What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Emotions by Iann Dior. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you can never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and I'm going to show you the picking part that happens throughout the song, as well as the chords that you can play throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, it will be in the video description, as well as if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Starting with the picking part that plays throughout the song, you're going to bar the 9th fret with your index finger, and you're going to put your middle finger on the 10th fret on the B string, and you're going to start by plucking the A string, and then the B string, A string, E string. Then you're going to go to the 11th fret on the G string, 9th fret on the D string, 12th fret A string, 11th fret D string. So from there, pluck that 11th fret on the D string again, go to 9 on the D, go to 12 on the A, back to 11 on the D, to 11 on the A, and then 12 on A, 9 on D. That looks like it starts all over. So from the top, very slowly. Once you have the picking part down, I'm going to show you the chords that you can strum throughout the song. The first chord is going to be an F sharp minor, which is 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger A string 4th fret, pinky finger D string 4th fret. Then you're going to go D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Index finger G string 2nd fret, ring finger B string 3rd fret, middle finger E string 2nd fret. Then A major, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Your middle finger D string 2nd fret, ring finger G string 2nd fret, pinky finger B string 2nd fret. And then finally C sharp major, which is a bar chord that starts on the A string. Don't play the low E. A string, you're barring starting there the entire 4th fret, and then you're gonna bar the G string, B string, and D string with your ring finger on the 6th fret. So 4, 6, 6, 6, 4. Again, bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger, and then bar D, G, and B with your ring finger. It's gonna be hard, but just take a little practice, build up that hand strength, you'll be able to play it. It's a little bit difficult, but it is a C sharp major that they're playing there. Once you get the chords down, I'll show you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. It's gonna be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.